everybody, today we're doing the morning routine. Oh, good morning. Oh wait, forgot, they're asleep. I'll make eggs. And this is for baby. This is for sweetie. This is for honey. And you know what? Sweetie would like it's good with water. Baby would like green. Sweetie would like orange. And then honey would just like coffee. Time to cook. Done. I'll just get me a coffee. I forgot I promised the kids that I would get them one of the ring shoes. I forgot. I did say I was going to prepare something. I'll get them chicken since I have to go grocery shopping anyway. And more noodles. Okay. Chicken. Oh, that looks delicious. But I'll just have coffee and water. Good night. Oh, he prepared our breakfast. He really shouldn't have. I could have helped him. Anyways, I'm going to wash him too. 5 minutes later. Must be allergies. You know what? I'm going to practice my stop that, because you're going to wake up your sister. Oh, fine. Okay, wake up your sister in 10 minutes. Okay. 10 minutes later. Sweetie, go wake her up. Okay, fine. Hey sis, wake up! Good morning. Good morning. Sweetie, get your tablet so you can watch. Hi, sweetie. Guys, she's playing. Oh, girls, forgot. Eat breakfast. Come on. Oh, come on. It was getting to the good part. Come on, sweetie. Come here, sweetie. I'll put you in your chair. Doesn't this look good, kids? Okay, kids. It's eat, okay? Yes. And girls, don't get distracted while watching. cheat. I have to edit my video. Come on, sis. Wow, she's so cheating. Drops her sister on the floor.
Thanks sis, for dropping me off.
Time to wash it. Oh, classic me. Okay, well, Baby wanted. Baby, do you want chicken?
Yeah.
Okay. 2 chicken, right?
Yeah.
Honey, don't tire yourself out. You've just please come from work. Yeah, you're right. Oh wait, did you turn off the TV? Oh, can you turn it off? Sure. Sweetie, what do you want? What do you want, sweetie? I think fish. Okay. Okay. Girls,
Yeah.
it's time to eat. Okay. Okay, I'll get your smoothies. Sweetie, what color do you want?
I want yellow.
Okay. What do you want, sweetie? Oh, okay. Yeah. It's water, okay? So, Mom and Dad didn't do it. They like that. Come on, let's watch the new sea show. Mommy and Daddy eat fast. I know, right? I know, right? Sis, how'd you eat so fast? I don't know. Hurry up, slow. Hurry up, slow poke. She's rude. And I was about. And I was actually
I'm sorry, sissy.
Oh, it's okay. I was gonna say nothing.
Never mind. Hurry up, Slowpoke.
I'm done.
Hurry up being done, Slowpoke.
Shut up. Okay, well, I guess bedtime story?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll just get your sister to sleep. Sweetie, it's time to sleep.
Okay, good night.
Good night, sweetie. Wait, sweetie, I'll tell you a bedtime story in a minute. Honey, you can go to bed. I'll just tell sweetie a story. Okay? Okay, are you ready? What, sweetie?
Washer ba siya?
Good.
Wala,
Hi.
nag-bike lang.
Hi. Okay, so let me tell you the story. Tells her the story, and then they lived happily ever after. The end. Good night, sweetie. I love being a mom. Oh hey, honey. Hi. Okay, now that I'm done with this video, thank you everyone for watching.